Hey everyone, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you where and how to refinance your Upstart loan if you've got reasonable credit. The answer is pretty simple. Try a credit union. We'll go through who is Upstart and why you should get a loan from them, and also how you can refinance through a credit union and what are the savings. My name is Cordell from With Clutch, and this is Refinance Your Upstart Loan. We've already chatted in other videos about why you might need a personal loan, making a big purchase, paying off a credit card debt, consolidating medical bills. There are a lot of good reasons why a personal loan might be needed. As a potential option, let's talk about Upstart. They are a lender based in California that started in 2012. The original company meant to be a lender themselves, whereby they received lending licenses, found individuals to lend to, and prided themselves on using alternative data to automatically approve loan applications. In fact, the three founders themselves were all part of Google originally. The company prided itself on two key achievements. One was reducing the need to rely on traditional FICO credit scores and instead rely on other data like educational background, degrees, and so forth, and the ability to rapidly and automatically approve borrowers. Today, Upstart is a $10 billion publicly traded company which lends in all 50 states. They mainly offer personal loans and a select few auto loans. Typically, their rates will vary from 6.95% all the way up to 35.99%. Now, Upstart gets the majority of its customers through fintech integrations, such as Credit Karma, where users had no prior relationship with the borrower. In addition, to keep lending volumes high, Upstart keeps banking relationships with many financial institutions who repurchase Upstart portfolios. Now, let's walk through the pros and cons of an Upstart loan. The pros are, loans are auto-approved and funded very quickly. Offers loans to thin credit customers who otherwise might not have enough credit for a traditional personal loan, and an easy online application process. Some of the cons to consider are high interest rates compared to some alternatives, the charges of an origination fee, as in a fee starting the loan, and they are a for-profit lender, so they are trying to maximize interest expenses. Now the question is, should I refinance my Upstart loan? Yes, of course. It's definitely worth a try. In fact, most credit unions will offer rates that are 30 to 40% lower than for-profit lenders. And this is because credit unions are not for-profit and meant for the benefit of their members. In a trial with a local credit union, we saved consumers over 10% on average through refinancing their personal loans. Luckily, the process is very easy. First, you need to find a credit union where you are eligible to be a member. And there are some great national credit unions like Schools First, Penn Fed, or Navy Federal. There are some local and employment-based credit unions such as Patelco in Northern California and Eagle CCU based out of Orange County. Most of the time, you can combine a membership fee application with receiving your loan. You'll go through the loan portal, which asks you some basic information for a personal loan. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example from Schools First website. So when you log into Schools First FCU, which actually there is a mobile app as well, when you go on there, there is going to be a section where you're going to start as a new user. Once you apply for that username and password, this will then allow you to go into the section where you can click on personal loan and you can apply now automatically. So once you've filled out the remainder of these steps and you've made that application online, a loan officer will reach out and it's then time to sign your documents. Now, the real question is, how much do I actually save? Well, obviously, depending on your credit, savings will vary, but here's a brief example on a $4,000 loan at Upstart. Our terms will be 36 months at 25% interest. Not an uncommon rate for many people using their loans. For that same customer, a comparable credit union loan could be qualified at 15%. Still high, but 10% less than an Upstart loan. Over the life of the loan, the Upstart customer pays $5,760 and the credit union customer pays $5,004. This makes your monthly payment $21 lower each month and a total savings of $756 over the loan life. Ultimately, we want you to be more confident and know that you do have options when it comes to loans, and it's always worth your time to shop. Come check out our other YouTube videos as well as our website where we have tons of great articles related to loans and educating consumers like you. At With Clutch, our goal is to empower you whether it's getting a new loan or refinancing one you currently have. Thanks for watching.